Let's learn English through short transportation and travel conversation, with vocabulary and listening questions. Catching the bus for the weekend trip.
Honey, come sit on the bench. Are you excited for the weekend trip?
Yes, Mommy, I can't wait to go to the zoo.
Me too. Now, we need to catch the bus. Do you have the bus ticket?
Oh no, I knew I forgot something. I forgot the ticket.
Haha, don't worry, baby. I've got the tickets, but next time, you need to bring it, okay, or else you cannot get onto the bus at all.
Okay, Mommy, I understand.
Okay, so now all we can do is wait for the bus. As the buses pass by, you have to check the bus sign and wait for the number 10 bus.
Yay, I'll wait here. Mommy, can I see the ticket? Ooh, is it the same ticket we used last time?
Yes, but this time, we're using a one-way ticket. We can buy a return ticket later, after the zoo.
One-way ticket? Does that mean we can only go to the zoo, not back? We have to walk home.
Haha, no honey. We just need another ticket to come back. We'll buy it when we're done playing at the zoo.
Oh, I see. Also, can we sit on the bus? I don't think I can stand for too long.
Of course we'll sit, relax, and enjoy the ride. It's only 15 minutes.
That sounds like a good ride. I can't wait to see the animals.
Me neither, but first, let's make sure we're on the right bus, and I'll show you how to use the ticket.
I'll make sure I keep the ticket safe. Mommy, I'll hold it tight.
Good job, little one. You're becoming a bus expert.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Bus. A large vehicle that carries passengers. Sign. A display that shows information, like bus numbers or stops. Bench. A long seat for sitting, usually in public places. Your listening question is: what bus does the mother and son need to take? Answer: they need to take the number 10 bus. Refuel the car.
Baby, do you think we need to top up the petrol before we get to the beach? I think the gas station there will be very crowded.
I'm not sure. Let me check. Oh wow, we're almost empty.
Oh no, I knew it. We should have stopped earlier.
Haha. Well, now is the perfect time. Let's refuel our car quick.
Lucky the gas station is right here. I'll go fill it up.
Oh no, darling, I'll pay for it. You can just enjoy the fresh air. Oh, I see a convenience store across the street. Do you mind grabbing a cold drink for me?
Haha, okay, I will get cold mineral water for you. Remember to get a full tank.
I got you, honey. We don't want to stop again in the middle of our trip.
Sure, we don't. Also, can you check the price for me?
Sure, it's a little expensive today. I think gas prices went up again.
All right, the car's full. Now, let's go to the beach.
Yes, let's go. I hope the drive is as smooth as this fuel.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Gas. Short for gasoline, the fuel used in cars. Fill up. To put enough fuel into a car. Tank. The part of the car that holds fuel. Your listening question is: what does the wife decide to do before they get to the beach? Answer: she decides to fill up the car with a full tank of gas. Finding a parking spot.
Honey, do you see any empty parking spots?
Ew, I'm trying. Oh my, it's so crowded. There's literally no space left.
I knew this was going to happen. Saturday shopping madness.
Maybe we should just park somewhere far and walk. It's not too bad, right?
I don't mind walking now. The real problem comes after the shopping. You know, our legs will be really tired from all the shopping.
Okay, let's keep looking then. Maybe we'll get lucky.
There's one spot near the entrance, but there's a car already waiting for it.
Do you think they're going to take it? What if they are leaving?
Probably. Let's follow them, just in case. We're not giving up this spot.
Ha ha ha. You're so competitive, but I like it. We need that spot.
Fingers crossed. There it is. They're leaving. Let's go.
Yes, finally, we got it. Let's park before someone else steals it.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Parking spot. A designated place to park a car. Crowded. Having too many people or cars in one place. Entrance. The place where you enter a building or area. Your listening question is: what do the husband and wife decide to do when they find an empty parking spot? Answer: they make sure the other car is leaving and quickly park before anyone else can take the spot. Checking the bicycle tire.
Hey, babe, I think I heard something strange while riding my bike today. Can you give it a check for me?
Oh no, what happened? Was it the brakes?
No. I think I ran over a sharp stone in the park. Now my tire looks a little flat.
Oh my, a sharp stone. You know that's not good. Let me check the tire for you.
Please, can you do it today? I have an important errand to run tomorrow.
Haha, don't worry. I'll take care of it. I know how to check it properly.
You're the expert? Baby, can you pump it up?
Let's see. Oh, yeah. It's definitely flat. Let's check for a hole.
Oh no, a hole. Is it big?
It's small, but definitely there. I think we've got a puncture. My, lucky that you can still get home safely.
Oh no, I knew it. I should have been more careful.
Haha, it's okay, darling. It happens to the best of us. Let's fix it now so it's ready for tomorrow.
You're so sweet. Thanks for helping me. I'm glad I have you.
Of course, babe. I will get that tire pumped up, and we'll be all set.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Flat tire. A tire that has lost air, usually due to a puncture. Puncture. A hole in a tire, often caused by sharp objects like nails or stones. Pump. To add air to something, such as a tire. Your listening question is: what did the boyfriend find when he checked the tire? Answer: he found a small puncture in the tire. Ordering food delivery.
Hi, I'm just calling to confirm my food delivery. Can you hear me well?
Yes, I hear you very clearly. I'm on my way. What's your address?
I'm at the green building on Maple Street. It's the tallest building near the park.
Got it. Is it the one with the big green sign?
Yes, exactly, the one with the green sign. When you get to the building, you'll need to go up to the 5th floor.
The 5th floor, okay. And how do I get in?
Oh, right. My God, I almost forgot that part. Okay, so only citizens with cards can use the elevator. Can you just stand by the elevator? I'll come down to meet you there.
Okay, I'll be there in a few minutes. I'll ring the bell when I arrive at your door.
No, you cannot go up to my floor. Just stand at the elevator on the 1st floor. I'll be waiting by the elevator for you.
Oh, sorry. I missed that part. I understand now. All right. I'll see you in a few minutes.
Great, thank you so much. Can't wait for my food.
You're welcome. See you soon.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Elevator. A lift used to move between floors in a building. Stand by. To wait in a place. Ring the bell. To press the doorbell to announce your arrival. Your listening question is: where should the delivery man wait when he arrives at the building? Answer: he should wait by the elevator on the 5th floor. What is your favorite new word from this video? Share your favorite word in the comments below. Like, follow, and subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons.